Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat background cover picture. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app, then click on your Snapchat profile. Here you can see Create My Avatar. Now click on that. You can choose your gender. Here you can choose skin color. Click on Save. Now you can change her outfit. Click on Save. If you want to choose background, now you can change it. Now you can see I have changed my Snapchat background cover picture. So this is how you can change your Snapchat background cover picture. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.